aspiring and renewing ACC and PCC coaches. I'm here to support you and help you, and congratulations on making the pivotal decision to elevate your coaching career with ICF certification. Whether you are planning to get accredited or renew your ACC or PCC certification, I have fantastic news for you. If you need 10 mentor coaching hours to complete your application or renewal, Intuitive Life Coaching Academy has your back. As a PCC level ICF accredited school, we offer a flexible and comprehensive program to help you reach your goals swiftly. Here is what we have in store for you. One-on-one mentor coaching sessions. Engage in personalized coaching with our PCC-certified coaches and teachers. They will provide valuable insights and feedback to enhance your coaching skills. Then we can offer you group coaching meetups. Participate in collaborative coaching sessions with fellow coaches. You will have the opportunity to provide coaching and support to our amazing community members. Then, Intuitive Life Coaching classes, you can attend our transformative classes where you can coach, learn, and connect with other passionate coaches and community members. And we understand that every coach's journey is unique, which is why we offer a tailored approach to help you acquire your mentor coaching hours the way you want to do that. Don't miss this opportunity to accelerate your coaching career and make a profound impact on lives of others. Join Intuitive Life Coaching Academy today and let us guide you towards ICF certification success.